today I'm going to show you how to make two of the most simplest cocktails to make without using a shaker, but also two of the most popular. The first one is going to be Sex on the Beach. Very simple, 4 ingredients. Ice glass. Then we're going to go with 25ml vodka, 25ml peach schnapps. Bottle's plain up. We'll top up about halfway with orange juice. And we're going to fill it up with cranberry juice. And garnish with a straw. I'm going to garnish it with a wedge of orange and a couple of pineapple leaves. And there we have it. Peach schnapps, perfectly refreshing. Everybody loves one, very easy to make. The next one I'm going to do is Mojito. Very easy again. We'll start off putting a little bit of ice in the glass. Then we're going to get about 8 to 10 sprigs of mint, leaves of mint. Give them a little slap, waking them up. In there go. And we're going to go 50ml Bacardi. Followed by 25ml lime juice. And around 15ml sugar syrup. And that goes. Give it a stir. And what I like to do is finely sliced lime. I like to put a few of them around the glass before I put the ice in. And you're going to fill your glass with ice. Again, give it a little stir. And then we're going to top that up with soda water. The camera's off for you there. Again, give it a little stir. Find the place, simple to garnish. Put it on a straw, and then I'm just going to garnish that with another lime wedge and a mint sprig. And there we have it, Mojito. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.